Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to open the controls menu. To do it, press and hold the light button. Once the menu opens, you should see a bunch of icons. And now you can scroll through this menu by swiping on the screen or by using the up and down buttons. Okay, now let's select the power saving mode icon, battery saver, basically this one, looks like the battery. And to enable the power saving mode, you can press the start button or tap on the icon. And as you can see now, the status changed to on, the icon changed the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. You can also see the difference between how long the battery will last when you enable the power saving mode. Of course, once you enable it, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and that's how it looks like on the watch face. And to disable the mode, you can open the controls menu again and select the icon and then tap on it or press the start button to change the status to off. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. You can also do this through settings, so we can press and hold the up menu button on the home screen to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the power manager, select it, and here we have the battery saver. You can turn it on or off by tapping on the status. You can also customize it a little because you can tap on edit, and here you can change what the power saving mode does. You can tap on watch face and we can select don't change or low power mode. We can tap on music and change it for music and stuff like that. So basically you can customize it what is turned off and what is not turned off when you enable the power saving mode. And of course, once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.